Alright, elimination using addition. In systems of equations in which the coefficients of the x or y terms are additive inverses, which means one's positive, one's negative, solve the system by adding the equations. Because one of the variables is eliminated, this method is called elimination. Alright, so basically what we're going to do is we need them to be in standard form. And so that means x and y are on the same side, normally the left, and then the constant is on the right. Alright, example 1 here. Let me scroll down first. Alright, now let's do example 1. Alright, now if you notice, negative 3y and positive 3y. So what happens when we add these together? Negative 3 plus 3 is 0. So that's what we call eliminated. Okay. So now we have 1x plus 3x is 4x equals, that's a positive 9, so 7 plus 9 is 16. Divided by 4, x equals 4. Alright, so now we know one of the variables. So we're going to plug them into one of these two equations. Sometimes one is easier than the other one. They chose the top one. That's fine. Let's do that. So now we're going to subtract 4 from both sides. I got negative 3y equals 3 divided by negative 3. And y is negative 1. So my solution is the coordinate 4, negative 1. Okay? So first step on this side is really easy, even on the next side. We just add them together. One of the variables should eliminate. Alright, now this time it was y, doesn't have to be y. Sum of two numbers is 70. So one number plus another number is 70. You don't have to use x and y, that's the most common. You could use a plus b. The difference means subtract, so we're subtracting those two numbers is 24. Alright, so if we notice this time y, again y, 1y minus 1y is eliminated, and there we go, and now 1x plus 1x is 2x, and 70 plus 24 is 94, and to solve this, divide by 2, x equals 47. Alright, substitute 47 for x, excuse me, in either equation. Since the top one doesn't have a negative, the less negatives I have, the less error. So let's put in the top one. So 47 for x plus y equals 70. Minus 47, minus 47, y equals 3, that's 6, 2. So our numbers are 47 and 20.